Hello. In this video, we're going to learn how to mark a message as important in Microsoft Teams. First, you'll want to log in to Microsoft Teams. Once you're in, click on New Chat to get started. Next, enter a name or an email address of the person you want to send a message to. Once you've done that, click on their contact to proceed. Now click on the message console. Here, you'll notice a small plus icon. Click on this icon to access the delivery options. After clicking, you'll see two options, Standard and Important. Choose the Important. Then type out your message in the text box. Once you've typed your message, click on the Send option. Your message will now be marked as important in the recipient's message box. And this way, we can mark a message as important in Microsoft Teams. Thank you for watching.